See? Yeah! Hello, my beautiful booksters! Today I'll be teaching you how to fill up a balloon by itself. For this experiment, you will need one plastic bottle, one balloon, and one food color, and vinegar, and baking soda, and a quarter cup, 1 tablespoon, and a funnel. You might be wondering why I have 3 plastic bottles, because I want to do it 3 times. You can actually do it 1 or 2 times if you like. And for this experiment, you won't need food color, because I just want the food color so it can make the vinegar colored. But if you don't want the vinegar to be colored, you don't actually have to use food colors. At the end of this video, I'll be explaining some science, like how the balloon was filling up by itself. Now, let's get started! Now, we're gonna start, and I am super excited. First, I'm gonna get a funnel and 1 balloon. Put the balloon in the funnel and put it down. Then get the 1 tablespoon and put it in the baking soda. Then get another tablespoon. Take it off and leave it. Now I'm gonna get the vinegar, okay? Don't be scared because this is an acid, but it's a weak acid, guys. So remember, don't be scared. I'm going to open the vinegar and make sure you don't drop it. And then you get the quarter cup and pour it in there. I dropped on the table, so that's okay. Then I'm going to get the funnel. Now I'm going to add color. Now I'm gonna stick the balloons on the top of the bottle. For this part, I'm gonna ask help from my sister because this is gonna be hard. Come on, helper. Put 2 hands in there, and then you need to try put the whole thing. Yay! Make sure you don't accidentally drop the baking soda in the vinegar. Now I'm gonna drop it in. See? Yeah! You can see it's working! It did it! Now, I'm going to do the second one. Let's see how that goes. Oh, it's okay. Now it's okay if it's bended. This is all about having fun. Now our experiment is done, and I washed up all my plastic water bottles. I didn't want to throw them because it'll just end up in the sea and animals would eat it and die. So that's why I washed them up, and I'm going to use them for another experiment and arts and crafts. But I'm going to have to think about that. Now, I'm going to explain some science to get you smart. Remember when you mixed the vinegar and baking soda, it actually made a gas called carbon dioxide. When you breathe out like this, you're actually breathing out carbon dioxide. That's why you saw the fizzling and bubbling in the balloon, in the plastic bottle. That was the carbon dioxide going up to fill up the balloon. This happens same when you blow up a balloon. The carbon dioxide made it all filled up. Now, you know how the experiment worked. I really hope the experiment worked at your home too. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please press the subscribe button if you like the video, and the subscribe button is the big red button under, and the thumbs up button beside the subscribe button if you like it. Please share this video with your family and your friends. I really hope they like it too. Love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Bye.